Hey, what is up people, this is Asam back again with another video, and in this video I am going to do the third part of personal AI assistant. Okay, so in this video I am going to connect this filter.py file with this main.py file. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so first of all I am going to remove this line, then I am going to add a for loop in this function. Okay, so for what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to separate the patterns. Okay, this I'm going to separate these patterns from the command. Okay, the command is going to be whatever the users is whatever the user gives. Okay, so I'm going to separate the patterns from the user command with tag. Okay, this is the main function that I'm going to handle in this video. Okay, so for pattern in pattern in tokenized pattern. Okay, so I just loaded this tokenized pattern with pattern, sorry guys, my bad, I just loaded this tokenized pattern here. Okay, so for pattern in tokenized pattern, okay, for pat in pattern, what it does actually, I am going to separate pattern from tokenized pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to separate it from the command. Okay, so for pat in pattern, if pat in command, okay, what it does actually, this pat variable is from pattern, and I'm going to check this pattern if it is available in command. Okay, so if it is available in command, then for tag with pattern, actually if pattern is available in command, then for tag with pattern, sorry guys, my bad, I already called a variable like patterns with tag. Okay, so for tag in, sorry guys, my bad, for tag in pattern, actually I am going to separate the tag from patterns with tag. Okay, so for tag in pattern, if pat in tag 0, that means if pat in tag 0, that means from the tokenized pattern the first variable is the pattern. Okay, so if this pattern is available in this command, then separate the tag. Okay, if pat in tag 0, then I'm going to separate the tag. The tag is going to be with this pattern. Okay, the tag is going to be with these patterns. Okay, so if pat in tag 0, then t, that means tag equal tag 1. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, now I'm going to print this t. Okay, after that what I'm going to do, okay, here is an error, if pat in command. Okay, this pattern, this command variable is not called. Okay, so I need to pass this argument here. Okay, command. Now this command is available here. Okay, okay, now I'm going to separate the response. I'm going to separate the response according to the tag. Okay, so what I did actually, first of all, let me rewind again. So first of all, I just checked if the I just separate the patterns. Okay, so if the pattern is available in the command, if the pattern is available in command, then for tag in pattern suite tag, that means for every tag with pattern in pattern suite tag, if pattern that was separated from this list is available in tag 0, that means that was tokenized, I said earlier, then the first one is the tokenized first one is the tag, sorry guys, my bad, the first one is the pattern and the second one is the tag. So T is the tag according to this pattern. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now I am going to separate the response according this tag. Okay, so for that I am going to add another for loop. Okay, for let me add a space. Okay, so for result in response with tag, okay, I am going to separate the response according to the tag. Okay, if T in result 1, okay, if T in result 1, that means response with tag is tokenized, and if T is in result 1, that means result 1, that means response with the second value of response with tag, and that is the response. First value is the tag and the second value is the response. Sorry guys, my bad, the first value is the response and the second value is the tag. Okay, so if the tag in result 1, then response tag dot append result 0, then just simply add the results to this response tag list. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If you face any kind of problem, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, so now I'm going to print out this response tag. Okay, so now I'm going to connect this piece of codes to my main.py file. Okay, so let me split this to the right, and okay, here. Now let me remove this condition. So it's my bad. Try. I'm going to add a try exception method, and let's say try filter results. Okay, filter. What is the name of the function? Okay, filter results. Okay, try filter results command. Okay. Okay, this is not imported, so I'm going to import the filter result from filter data import filter results. Okay, filter results, and then I'm going to handle an error. Okay, accept sorry guys, accept exception, just simply print error occurred. Okay, now I'm going to run my main.py file and let's check is it working or not. Okay, hello. Okay, we can see the results. Okay, let me show the JSON file. Okay, this hello is okay. Okay, this is the pattern, and we just separated the responses, if you can notice here. Okay, the reason behind why the reason behind printing this stuff, all of the stuff, is I added this print command in a for loop. Okay, this is the reason. So if I sorry guys, don't get panic about this. I just printed this because I need to have a clear understanding what's going on. Okay, so that's for today's video. Keep watching. Goodbye.